at the end of this video, you're going to know a few of my life hacks for a stress-free home. Honestly, these are things that I personally do or use in my life, and I'm excited to share my secrets. In case you don't know who I am, my name is Shanice Banis, and I am an organizing expert and content creator for my blog, City of Creative Dreams, and the founder of Inspired by Organizing, which is a custom e-design organizing service. So, how do you have a stress-free home? Is there really a hack for that? We are going to talk about that today. Of course, living in a multi-generational home like mine, my home will not always be stress-free, but there are a few things that I do to make my life a little bit easier. So number one is to use the back of the door. Space can be so limited in a home and even more in a small apartment, but there is so much you can store by simply using the back of the doors. It doesn't need to be just for coats or towels anymore. You can also add hooks to store your hats or purses. You can also add an over-the-door basket unit to hold extra bottles of soap or bathroom accessories. 2, create shoe hooks to organize your shoes. This is by far the most popular post on my blog. I heard about this way of organizing, or this organizing hack, to use coat hooks to organize shoes, but decided to make my own version by getting wood and knobs from the dollar store. You can put it on the entry closet, or you can also put it along the wall or in your bedroom. It is a simple, easy hack that I love creating, and it still works until this day. Question: are you liking the tips so far? If so, write love in the comments below. Okay, so my third tip is hang a clipboard wall. So this is for the occasional paperwork I get in my life or forms I need to fill out for my son. I like creating a clipboard wall. I currently only have 3 on my wall to track like my bills that I've already paid this month, savings for a house, and then I have a clipboard for anything else that comes along. You can really use this clipboard area for anything from grocery lists, sports schedules, and important reminders to notes to yourself. It's just an alternative way to deal with your paperwork instead of allowing it to pile up on your desk. My son even has a clipboard to work on his homework too. Plus, I got these from the dollar store and painted them to make them cute. Number 4 on my list is file bins as freezer organizers. Whether you have a deep freezer, a large freezer that's solo and stands up, or a small one that is connected to your fridge, I found that large and small slim file bins work perfectly in our freezers. You can organize it in a way clearer way than simply placing the freezer items inside. I love that I can break it down by breakfast, lunch, and dinner, but also by person or gluten-free. It makes putting away groceries way more easier. Plus, we can find what we want by taking the bin out. Number 5 is wallet card organizing apps. So lastly, I don't know about you, but wallets can get so stuffed with store loyalty cards or points cards. So one hack that I personally love is removing the physical cards from my wallet and putting them onto the Stow Card app. I don't know if I said that right, but that's what it's called, the Stow Card app. And it's been such a huge space saver for my wallet. And I'm sure there's other apps out there, but this is the one that I personally use and have been using it for years, and I love it. I have also put this app on my husband's phone so he can you have access to my cards when he's at the store as well. Plus, they have an option of putting on notifications so it reminds you about your loyalty card or your points card when you enter the store. That's it. That is my 5 tips. So if you are serious about organizing your home, don't forget to grab my free resources filled with free checklists to help guide you on your organizing journey. You can grab it in the link below this video. And if you know someone who would love this, then share it. Did you like this video? Did this video help you? Are you going to try any of these hacks? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.
Hey, before you go, thanks for watching, and get more information at cityofcreativedreams.com. See you there!